Hey everyone, it's Ashley, welcome back. As always, I have to preface my video with some sort of apology, and today I am apologizing if I look like doo-doo. I only have on concealer, brows, mascara, and lip, trying to give the rest of my skin a break. It's been a while since it's had a break, and my skin has just been super dry, so I figured just letting it kind of breathe and be moisturized without some drying products on it would be good for it. So, to let my skin breathe and not put any more product on, I am going to be unboxing the February 2019 Boxycharm box. This guy, I feel like it's smaller than I remember, but it's been a month so I've had it, so we'll see how the stuff is inside. So I'm gonna open it up. I actually have scissors now. They're tiny, but they're scissors. Okay, so the first thing is from Touch in Sol. It is the No Poreblem Primer. It is said to have smoothing and pore perfecting coverage. Top secret for perfect makeup. This guy is 1.01 fluid ounces and retails for $18. So excited to try this. Hopefully it doesn't dry me out. Ooh, next is from Nudestix. It is a magnetic luminous eye color in the shade Copper Foil. This retails for $24 and is supposed to be a super long wearing eyeshadow pencil that is soft, super gliding, and easy to blend. Let's open this guy. So we definitely have a coppery color. Ooh, that is deeper than I thought, but it is still super shiny. I will probably be trying this guy out tomorrow. And next is from Sol de Janeiro. It is the Coco Cabana Cream Moisture Magnet Oil and Water Body Cream. This guy retails for $20 and it is supposed to instantly transform dry, dehydrated, irritated skin. It's supposed to hug moisture for up to 72 hours. It says to have notes of coconut, toasted praline, and warm vanilla latte. I feel like in one of the Sephora's I had a small Sol de Janeiro. It was like the Bum Bum cream, and I loved it. Oh, that's really nice. I'm definitely smelling the vanilla and the praline. Love that. Ooh, and for the mascara lover in me, it is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This is a full-size mascara. It retails for $24, and this makes your lashes huge, absolutely huge. And then last from Pretty Vulgar, it is the Shimmering Swan highlighter in the shade 127 Sparkling Sass. Ooh, this puppy retails for $32. So let's just do a little swatcheroo. So it's kind of minimal, it's not bad. It does build pretty nicely. All right. So everything in this box retailed for $118 and I paid like about 20 bucks for it, and I'm actually excited about every single product. The thing I'm least excited about is this highlighter, only because it wasn't so bright, but it's still really pretty. So I feel like all these products in this Boxycharm are slam dunks. So if you want a little bit of everything, a primer, a shadow stick, some lotion, some mascara, a highlighter, I think this is a good box to maybe start out a Boxycharm subscription. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.